What if she had listened? What if she believed them? What if she had quit? What if she stepped back from leadership? What if she never stood beside a nation in formation? Women may have never found empowerment in Pakistan, but she didn't quit. Fatima Jinnah didn't quit. She built All Pakistan Women's Association.
जिधर भी मैं गई हूँ उधर बहुत बड़ी तादाद में लाखों की तादाद में उन्होंने अपना फैसला कर चुके हैं.
What if leadership had been defined only one way? What if the idea of a woman leading a nation had seemed impossible? When she took the office, it wasn't just a political milestone. It was a moment that redefined what leadership could look like. And when she became a mother while serving in office, she quietly challenged another belief, that women must choose between family and leadership. She didn't quit. Benazir Bhutto didn't quit. She became the first female prime minister in a Muslim-majority country.
पार्टी की गवर्नमेंट आपके वोटों के साथ आएगी. हम आपको आपका बुनियादी हक देंगे.
What if leadership had always looked the same? For decades, the most powerful office in Punjab had only been occupied by men. What if no woman ever stepped forward to change that? History might have continued repeating itself. But when Punjab welcomed its first female chief minister, it wasn't just a political transition. It was a moment of representation, a reminder that leadership does not belong to one gender. She didn't quit. Mariam Nawaz didn't quit. She became the first female chief minister of Punjab.
जब आपका बच्चा बोलना सीखता है सबसे पहले जब वो माँ कहता है या बाप को आवाज देता है तो उस दिन माँ बाप की खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं होता. लेकिन ये बच्चे नहीं बोल सकते. माँ बाप इनसे माँ या बाप का लफ्ज या बाबा का लफ्ज सुनने के लिए माँ बाप बेचैन हैं.
What if a little girl from Pakistan believed she was too young, too small, too ordinary? Innovation would have lost its youngest inspiration. But she didn't quit. Arfa Karim didn't quit. She became the youngest Microsoft certified professional.
सिर्फ मैंने कोई चीज प्लान की होती है, मैंने इसके अंदर एक ये भी छोड़ा होता है कि ये दिस इज ऑन गॉड. होता है कि नहीं होता? पंजाबी में एक शेर है, माली दा कम पानी देना पर पर मशका पावे, मालिक दा कम फल फूल लाना लावे या ना लावे. वाह. सो आपको मेहनत करनी चाहिए, हार्डवर्क का फल जरूर मिलता है, करनी चाहिए.
What if she believed that building institutions was too difficult? That shaping futures was not worth the fight? Generations of leaders may never have found their foundation. But she didn't quit. Ms. Khadija Mushtaq didn't quit. She made global education accessible in Pakistan through Roots Ivy.
With dedication, with commitment, with hard work, with motivation, with passion to transform the lives of our youth.
What if she had walked past an abandoned child? What if compassion felt too heavy? Thousands of lives would have never felt a mother's touch. Thousands of lives would be lost on the roadside. But she didn't quit. Bilkis Eidi didn't quit. She saved 42,000 abandoned babies through her Jula Cradle project.
ये हमारा झूला है. कत्ल ना करें, झूले में डालें. एक गुनाह करते दूसरा गुनाह क्यों करते हो? जान अल्लाह की अमानत है.
What if speaking for justice felt too dangerous? What if standing for the voiceless came with too high a cost? Human rights are never protected by silence. They are protected by those willing to speak. even when it's difficult. She didn't quit. Asma Jahangir didn't quit. She co-founded Human Rights Commission of Pakistan, and thousands found a voice through her courage.
बुज़दिल नहीं है। औरत जो है वो खून खराबा नहीं देखना चाहती है, वो अमन पसंद है। अगर अमन पसंद लोग बुज़दिल हैं तो मेरा ख्याल है औरतें भी फिर बुज़दिल हैं।
What if she believed the mountain was too high, or that it wasn't a place for women? Pakistan's flag may never have reached the top, but she didn't quit. Samina Beg didn't quit. She became the first Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest.
हम लोग एवरेस्ट जा रहे थे तो हमने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की इस्लामाबाद में, तो वहाँ पे मुझे एक भाई साहब ने पूछा कि मतलब समीना इतनी छोटी सी ये मतलब सीढ़ियाँ भी नहीं चढ़ सकती तो ये एवरेस्ट कैसे चढ़ेगी। जब आप ये सोच दिमाग से निकालेंगे तो कोई भी काम मुश्किल नहीं है।
What if she believed her voice was too different, too soft, too unconventional? What if she diluted her voice to fit in? The world may never have heard Pakistan in its most honest form. But she didn't quit. Arooj Aftab didn't quit. She became the first Pakistani female artist to win a Grammy. Imagine Pakistan without their courage. Now imagine what happens when today's girls refuse to quit. This Women's Day, we celebrate resilience. We celebrate impact. We celebrate her. Happy International Women's Day.